Welcome, Mindful Mentors 12 community. If you're tired of chasing overhyped stocks and want to spot the next big winners before they explode, you're in the right place. Imagine getting in early on the next Tesla or Nvidia, before the headlines, before the hype. Today we're revealing 10 under-the-radar stocks with the potential to 10x your portfolio in 2025. These aren't the usual suspects. They're companies quietly building the future with breakthrough technology and major partnerships. We've done the research, analyzed the trends, and identified the catalysts that could send these stocks soaring. We'll break down what each company does, why it's poised for growth, and the key risks to watch. Grab your notepad, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. First up is SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN, a leader in conversational AI and voice recognition. While tech giants dominate headlines, SoundHound is quietly embedding its voice AI into millions of cars through partnerships with Hyundai, Kia, and Stellantis. Imagine controlling your car with natural voice commands. SoundHound's tech makes it seamless and intuitive. Their focus on the automotive sector means recurring revenue as more vehicles roll out with their software. Beyond cars, their AI powers restaurants, smart homes, and call centers. Despite these major deals, the stock remains under the radar. The market hasn't priced in the scale of their automotive wins yet. Risks? The AI space is crowded, but SoundHound's specialized focus gives it a unique edge. They're not trying to be everything, just the best at voice AI. For investors looking for a ground floor opportunity in next-gen tech, SOUN is a compelling pick. Next, IonQ, ticker IONQ, is pioneering quantum computing, a technology that could revolutionize industries from drug discovery to finance. Quantum computers solve problems today's supercomputers can't touch, and IonQ is one of the few with a working, commercially available system. Their tech is accessible via Amazon, Microsoft, and Google's cloud platforms. IonQ's trapped ion approach is considered highly stable and scalable, giving them a technological lead. The quantum market is set to explode, and IonQ is hitting key milestones. They're already working with major clients like Hyundai and Airbus. This is a long-term, high-risk play. Quantum is early stage and competition is fierce. But if IonQ leads the quantum revolution, the upside could be massive. Think of it as investing in the internet in the early 90s. For patient investors, IonQ offers exposure to a truly disruptive future. Our third pick is C3.ai, ticker AI, a specialist in enterprise AI. C3.ai provides the platform that lets Fortune 500 companies build custom AI solutions. Think Shell, Raytheon, and Bank of America. They're the toolkit powering predictive maintenance, fraud detection, and more. After a volatile ride post-AI hype, C3.ai is now gaining traction with big clients and government agencies. Their shift to a consumption-based pricing model means as clients use more AI, C3's revenue grows. Their platform is becoming deeply embedded, creating sticky long-term customers. The sales cycle is long, but the trend is clear. Every major company is adopting AI. C3.ai is the bridge between legacy industries and the AI future. Risks include lumpy results and tough competition, but the long-term potential is huge. As they land more blue-chip clients, the market will catch on. C3.ai is a dark horse with serious upside. Shoals Technologies, ticker SHLS, is the backbone of the solar industry. While solar panel makers get the spotlight, Shoals makes the essential wiring and connectors that tie it all together. Their plug-and-play systems cut installation time and cost for massive solar farms. As solar energy demand surges, every new project needs Shoals components. Their patented tech and strong margins make them a leader, yet they're often overlooked. Shoals is a key enabler of the green energy transition. The company's growth is tied directly to the solar boom. While sensitive to project timelines, their long-term trajectory is strong. Shoals is a hidden gem powering the clean energy revolution. Fluence Energy, ticker FLNC, is solving renewable energy's biggest challenge: storage. Their utility-scale battery systems stabilize the grid, making solar and wind reliable 24/7. Backed by Siemens and AES, Fluence is a global leader with projects worldwide. Demand for energy storage is set to skyrocket as renewables grow. Their AI-powered software, Fluence IQ, optimizes battery performance and creates recurring revenue. It's a razor-and-blade model for the modern grid. Despite their leadership, Fluence is still under the radar for most investors. The stock is volatile, but their role in grid modernization is pivotal. As their project backlog and software business grow, so will their market recognition. Fluence is a direct play on the future of global energy. Li Auto, ticker LI, is a standout in China's massive EV market. Unlike rivals, Li Auto's extended-range EVs combine electric driving with a gas generator, eliminating range anxiety. This smart approach has made their family SUVs hugely popular and highly profitable. Li Auto consistently beats delivery expectations and boasts industry-leading margins. Western investors' caution on Chinese stocks keeps valuations low, creating opportunity. Their cash-generating EREV lineup funds expansion into pure EVs. For those comfortable with geopolitical risk, Li Auto is a value play disguised as a growth stock. They're out-executing peers and growing fast. Li Auto is a hidden gem in the global EV race. Beam Therapeutics, ticker Beam, is at the forefront of gene editing. Their base editing technology is more precise than CRISPR, potentially correcting genetic diseases with fewer errors. Beam's pipeline targets conditions like sickle cell anemia and high cholesterol. If even one therapy succeeds, the impact could be enormous. This is a high-risk, high-reward biotech. Clinical trials are tough and volatility is high, but Beam's platform could unlock treatments for countless diseases. Their strong IP and world-class founders add credibility. For long-term investors willing to take on risk, Beam offers a shot at transforming healthcare. The upside is dramatic if their science delivers. Beam is a bet on the future of medicine. Recursion Pharmaceuticals, ticker RXRX, is revolutionizing drug discovery with AI and automation. Their Recursion OS runs millions of experiments weekly, using machine learning to spot new drug candidates faster than ever. They're building a massive biological dataset, creating a compounding advantage. Recursion isn't just a one-drug company. They have their own pipeline and partner with pharma giants like Bayer and Roche. The dual strategy means multiple ways to win. It's high risk, success depends on clinical trial results, but the potential to disrupt the drug industry is real. Backed by major investors like Nvidia, Recursion is well-funded for the journey. If their platform delivers, they could become foundational in future medicine. RXRX is a bold play on AI's impact in healthcare. Teladoc Health, ticker TDOC, was a pandemic darling that crashed. But now it's a classic turnaround story. As the leader in telemedicine, Teladoc connects patients and doctors virtually, a trend that's here to stay. The market overreacted to post-pandemic slowdowns and a costly acquisition, leaving the stock at bargain levels. Teladoc is refocusing on profitability and expanding into high-margin services like chronic care management. Their massive network and employer partnerships give them scale no competitor can match. The risk? Fierce competition and the challenge of consistent profits. But if management executes, the stock could rebound sharply. This is a contrarian bet on the future of virtual care. For investors who believe in telehealth's long-term growth, Teladoc is a discounted leader. Sometimes the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight. Our final pick is Riot Platforms, ticker Riot, a top Bitcoin miner in North America. Riot operates massive data centers, earning new Bitcoin as they secure the network. With low production costs and a huge Texas facility, Riot is positioned for the next crypto bull run. The stock is volatile and moves with Bitcoin's price, so it's not for the faint of heart. But as institutional adoption grows and supply tightens, Riot's leverage could pay off big. Unlike buying Bitcoin directly, Riot offers exposure to both mined coins and future cash flows. It's a best-in-class operator with a clear growth strategy. If you're bullish on crypto in 2025, Riot is a high-octane way to play the trend. As institutional money flows in, infrastructure leaders like Riot could surge. A bold pick to round out our 10x list. That's our list. 10 hidden gems with 10x potential for 2025 spanning AI, energy, biotech, and crypto. The secret? Look where others aren't, and understand the long-term story. Diversify, start small, and do your own deep research before investing. Timing and patience are key. These picks could shine, but not overnight. If you found value here, hit like, share, and subscribe for more investing insights from Mindful Mentors 12. Comment below, which stock excites you most? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.